Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, IOTA trade, the stock market and the crypto markets and just go over things. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up, and I'm going to show you my Bitcoin trades. I've been trading for 21 years. I'm a VC and founder of two big projects, an AI company and a crypto gaming project, and I'm going to show you about maybe in this video as well. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Market is a little bit dull today. All coins slightly up. Intel down 5%. I'm going to find a place. I want to buy Intel once it gets to the bottom. I think it's very oversold. Palantir up 4%. Microsoft 2%. Google 2%. A lot of money made there. IOTA back up, which is beautiful. My trade on IOTA is up like 6K right now, which is amazing. If you followed that trade, my goal is this is Bitcoin bottoming formation on the longer daily. Volume coming in. Stochastic RSI oversold, but heading down. It still looks like we'll go to this trend, so doing this. So target is around 24K. I mean, it could be later if it comes down here. 24,500 is possible. The short from yesterday's trade is playing out, or the day before, I'm not sure. 4 hourly is oversold. Hourly is oversold and heading up. So we're getting buying pressure now, which is interesting, but it got rejected. Based off this formation, I mean, we got a double bottom there in the short term, confirmed with volume. So this had volume spike and this had volume spike. Volume predicts price. So we're getting a short-term double bottom on the 4 hourly. So we're going to head up, and I think it's going to go towards the top of this and fake everyone out. So I would long from here with a tight stop loss. This one, long from here with a tight stop loss and take it all the way to the resistance. 6 risk to reward ratio trade, opening the trade at 26,230, stop loss 26,051, take profit 27,300, and then I would flip short. So I would flip short from this resistance here. So I would go like this, open the trade going long, and then flip short here, 27,200, to come down to that 23K. And that short is a 14 risk to reward ratio, or 15, risking 268 to make $4,042 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $40,000. So those are the two trades that I would take on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. So opening a long now to go to 27,000. This long first. I'll open a small, this is a small long right now. So it's opening at 26,188, stop loss 26.51. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, under the video, go down in the description of the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit. You get a $30,000 bonus when you sign up using this Bybit link, this one here. And you can join the free Telegram group and learn with 8,500 other traders. It's free. And you can take the crypto master course to also learn how to do all of this. So opening this trade now on Bitcoin. So opening 26,188, stop loss 26. So going to Bybit, I've got my IOTA trade is up $7,000 now, 7,100 on my IOTA trade. Big congratulations, anyone that took this trade. $20,000 to make $7,000, but this is a $97,000 trade. And my goal is back to the all-time high of $2. That's my goal. So my target is to make $995,000 on this trade. But that's pretty good. It was at $7,000 after just 1 week. And it was negative 2,000 at one point, then bounced back, so positive 7,000. If you've been following this trade, you know that I actually increased this trade. As it went down, I added more to it. At first I had a $50,000 trade. As it came down, I added more. Now I have a $97,000 trade. If it comes down more, I will add more. But that was 4,000 earlier today, back to 7,000. So that's showing big strength. In this account, I have 290,000, up around 130,000 from a few months ago. I made it 150,000 this account, took out the money, went to 150,000. Now it's back towards almost 300,000, and then I'll take it out again, back to 150,000. In here, I've got $24,000 if just liquid cash, $51,000 of MCRT, $26,000 of Bitcoin, 16,800 of Uniswap, 10,000 FXS. FXS seems to be cheap right now, so I'm going to buy another 1,000. At the current price, $1,000 of FXS. My IOTA trade is open. I'm going to open a Bitcoin long. Bitcoin long for this short-term long, 26,300, stop loss 26. So I'm going to do a $1,000 long with 9x leverage at 26,305, and take profit. No, 26,188. Sorry. Take profit is going to be at 27,340 and 27,340 and 26. So Expected loss 26,000. So I'm expecting expected profit to expected long entire position. It changed, it updated, it made it more complex. Confirm. It's $1,000 trade with 9x leverage, so it's a $9,000 trade. Open long. Take. It's weird. Trigger order. Order price. They modified this. Take profit. Yep. Take profit trigger price 27,340 and 26,051. 26. I wonder why the expected loss is only $7. It's weird. And expected profit 43. It's $1,000 trade. So this is actually wrong because it should be $1,000 trade with 9x leverage. Something is wrong here. It's a derivatives, 9x leverage. So it should be a $9,000 trade, not a $900 trade. Order cost 111. I understand. Order by cost, not by value. That was the problem. So $1,000. So it'd be I'm risking $63 to make $391 on this smaller trade. Open long here. It's a 0.3 Bitcoin trade, $9,000 trade. Confirm, and that trade will open at 26,188. That trade is now set on Bitcoin. The one I showed you, my added trade, is there set as well, which is beautiful. The market quite green at the moment. Microsoft, Google is up a lot, which is beautiful. Playing out, like I said, Google just making a lot of gains for us. It actually pulled back early. It pumped and then pulled back. But we're on top of this. If you zoom out on Google, you can see we're on top of this rising broadening wedge here. We're sitting on top of that trend line here. So that's good news for Google. Still heading up. We're at a strong resistance, but the main resistance is 133. I stacked a lot of Google at the bottom. I bought it from $80, so we're up quite a lot, which is amazing. And IOTA, I want to monitor IOTA. My goal is to have a $250,000 trade. IOTA is pumping off this support again. Look at that, bouncing off the trend line again, this white line. That trend line I drew a few weeks ago, if you watched, and look, it's bouncing off it again. Amazing. Weekly heading up, daily heading up, 4 hourly heading up with volume. I think IOTA is ready to go. First resistance is going to be here at 20. This resistance at 0.2. At 20 cents, there's a strong resistance. But what I think is going to happen to IOTA, this is why I say this is a trade of a lifetime, like multi-million-dollar trade. I think this will happen to IOTA. And then break out from here, go here. And when you zoom out on the longer term time frame, you can see here IOTA has massive potential from the bottom. It's like crazy potential. It could be a 1,697% trade. So 16x from the bottom. And when I zoomed in before, that was the trade. Again, those are all my trades. You can trade on Bybit. Join that Telegram. Trade on Bybit. You get $30,000 bonus. It's the lowest fees. That's what I trade on. And on Twitter, I've got. Let's show what's on my Twitter. 74,100 followers on Twitter. If I sent you 1,000 USDT, which altcoins would you spend it on? Kiba, Random Magicraft, MCRT, Capo, MCRT. MCRT, Pepecoin, AVAX, Magicraft, MCRT. Beautiful. Bitcoin is one of the greatest technological revolutionary inventions in the last 10 years. One of our blockchain developers made that statement today. Which cryptocurrency exchange do you use or prefer? Binance first. Second is Bybit. Interesting. AMA for Magicraft is on at 3 p.m. Meta is showing a huge gap to fill. Meta, Facebook, to 294. I bought Meta down here at $90, so we're up like massive on Meta. That's my update in the market. Magicraft is also holding very strong on the 7 days. Still sideways on the 7 days. On the monthly, still looking beautiful with big volume on Magicraft. Thank you for watching, everyone. Those are my thoughts on the market, my thoughts on Facebook, on Google, on Bitcoin. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.